Happy Monday, my friends. Welcome back to another work from home job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home jobs available and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you have your notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time I post a new job lead video. I always do my best to weed out any scams and only bring you real work from home jobs from real companies that are hiring. But as always, just a little disclaimer, always do your own research before giving any of your personal information to any companies over the internet. But with that being said, let's dive into today's job lead. It is from the healthcare giant Cigna, and they are hiring a general clerk representative for their virtual mailroom for one of their California businesses. This is a work from home, even though it's for one of their California businesses. That's what the job is going to be supporting, but you do not have to live in California. This is open to anyone in the United States. The work schedule, though, is going to be Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is to support the California business office hours. So you'll have to convert that to your current time zone and see if those hours would work for you. Now, for this position, you would work under the general supervision of the claims supervisor. They are looking for someone to work in their virtual mail office to review incoming and outgoing mail. You'll identify, sort, file, and deliver received virtual office mail. You'll maintain various files and records for their claims department. You'll obtain and verify routine provider member information using their system database. You'll maintain daily receipt logs for claims or any supporting documentation. You'll monitor fax documents. You'll use Microsoft Excel, Word, and keyboard skills to type forms and input basic data. You'll process staff requests for generating outgoing returned mail. You'll operate standard business equipment and applications and use the computer. So you need someone who has the ability to work cooperatively and professionally. They are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. They're asking that you have a minimum of 1 year experience in a related position, preferably in managed care environment. They want someone who has a firm working knowledge of basic computer skills and basic Microsoft Office Excel. And they say for this position, they anticipate paying anywhere from $16 to $22 an hour. That depends on factors including your location and also the experience you bring to the table. Now, the cool thing about Cigna is that they have your benefits start on day one of your employment. So as far as health benefits, medical, vision, dental, 401k with a company match, paid vacation time, it starts on day one of your employment. There is no waiting period, holding period, anything like that. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. You might want to check out the recently posted job leads on my main YouTube page. Maybe one of those will be a better fit for what you are needing. And have no fear, I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.